Hello, I'm Shashwat, and as promised, I'm back with an Avadhi poem, a narrative style Avadhi poem by a very famous Avadhi poet, Ramai Kaka. It's called Dhwakha Hoega. Now, this is a very innocent humor. You know, it's a story of a person who lives in a village and visits a city for the first time in his life, and he's quite amused by the things he sees in the city, and most of the times things are not what they appear to be, and he gets tricked and he gets mistaken a lot of times. So he goes back to the village and he's narrating his experience from the city, what all happened with him. So here it goes. हम गयन याक दिन लखनऊ. He goes to Lucknow one day. हम गयन याक दिन लखनऊ कक्कू संजोग ऐस परिका. पहले ही पहल हम सहरू दीख, सो कहूँ कहूँ ध्वाखा होएगा. So, because I went to the city for the first time, I got tricked here and there. जब गए नुमाइश देखे हम. So he goes to a sales exhibition. जब गए नुमाइश देखे हम, जहाँ कक्कू भरी रहे भीड़, 2 तोला 4 रुपया के हम बेसहा सोने के जंजीर. So in the crowded marketplace, he buys a small gift for his wife. He buys a gold chain for his wife for 4 rupees. लखी भई घर तिन गलगल बहू. लखी भई घर तिन गलगल बहू, मुल 4 दिनन मा रंग बदला. So initially his wife was very happy to see, but in 4 days the polish came off. The golden polish came off the chain. उन कहा कि पितेरी ले आयो. हम कहा बड़ा ध्वाखा होएगा. She said, this is not gold, this is brass. हम कहा बड़ा ध्वाखा होगा. Sorry, I got tricked. मुआछन का कीन है सफाचट. Mustaches. मुआछन का कीन है सफाचट. मुंह पाउडर और सिर केस बड़े. Powder on the face and with long hair. तहमत पहिरे कंबल ओढ़े, बाबूजी आके रहे खड़े. Somebody wearing a wraparound and a shawl. I couldn't understand who was standing there. हम कहा मेब साहब सलाम. वही बोले चुब्बे डैम फूल. हम मेम नहीं हूँ, साहब हूँ. हम कहा फिर ध्वाखा होगा. So he mistakes a man who is clean shaven with long hair and wearing a wraparound as a woman. So next he goes to Aminabad, a famous marketplace in Lucknow. हम गए अमीनाबाद जब. हम गए अमीनाबाद जब कुछ कपड़ा ले बजाजा मा. He goes there to shop for clothes. माटी के सुगर महिरिया सी. माटी के सुघर महिरिया सी, जहाँ खड़ी रहे दरवाजा मा. He sees a very nice mannequin at the door of the shop. समझा दुकान के हैं मालकिन. समझा दुकान के हैं मालकिन. सो भाव ताव पूछन लागन. या के बोले मूरत है. या के बोले मूरत ही है. हम कहा बड़ा ध्वाखा होगा. So he starts asking for the price and starts negotiating with the mannequin, and everybody started making fun of him. So he continues his shopping. धसी गयन दुकाने दीख जहाँ. धसी गयन दुकाने दीख जहाँ, मेहरऊ या के रही खड़ी. He goes to the shop and he sees a woman standing there. मुंह पाउडर पोते उजर उजर. मुंह पाउडर पोते उजर उजर और पहिरे सारी सुघर बड़ी. So he sees a woman or a girl standing in the shop wearing a very nice sari and very fair skin, very bright skin. हम जाना मूर्ति माटी का है. So he thinks that another mannequin. So सारी पर जब हाथ धरा, हम जाना मूर्ति माटी के. सो सारी पर जब हाथ धरा और झजकी भकुरी खौखाए उठी, और झजकी भकुरी खौखाए उठी. हम कहा फिर धाखा होगा. So he actually tried to touch the sari thinking that that woman is a mannequin, and he got a thrashing of his life. So that's about the poem Anavadi. This is one of my favorite narrative style poems. I used to hear from my grandmother and other people. They had of course, much better way of narrating it, but this is almost forgotten. It's almost lost. So I'm really grateful that I am getting this opportunity to present it to a large audience online.